Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. If you already have a collection of plants, even without smart hydroponic pots, this sensor can help you better understand them. Weighing just 20 grams, this sensor monitors light, temperature, soil moisture, and nutrient saturation. The data is sent to a free Android or iOS app, which uses the camera to identify the plants and provides care advice. For flexible placement, the pot height should be 10 to 15 centimeters. Rechargeable batteries are included, with a lifespan of 2 years. The sensors can be purchased individually or as part of a kit that includes a hub for easy connection to your Wi-Fi network. The price for a single sensor is $43. BG-Mosquitaire. This innovative mosquito control product mimics the scent of human breath and skin to attract mosquitoes over a significant area. This environmentally friendly solution is non-toxic and boasts a coverage range of up to 600 square meters. Priced at $200, it offers an effective and eco-conscious way to keep outdoor spaces mosquito-free. Auto. According to the creators of this irrigation system, the future of lawn care has arrived. They claim that it provides more relaxation, reduces manual labor, and can potentially save around $2,000 on water equipment and other expenses over an 8-month period. The system offers quick installation within minutes and can be controlled directly from a smartphone using a water hose and a Wi-Fi connection. With this system, users can configure watering zones through an app, and it even adjusts automatically to the weather. Additionally, there is an option to include specialized units for fertilization, insect repellency, and air deodorization. Each unit covers a radius of 9 meters, and multiple units can work together or alternate based on water pressure. Hozelock EasyMix 2-in-1. This eco-friendly composter, crafted from 90% recycled plastic, is a sustainable solution for turning organic waste into a nutrient-rich compost. Impressively, it can produce compost in a short span of 6 to 8 weeks, providing an efficient way to reduce kitchen and garden waste. Moreover, this composter generates liquid fertilizer, which can be used to nourish plants. With a price tag of around $150, it offers an affordable and environmentally conscious way to manage organic materials and enhance your gardening efforts. Tomcat Mole Trap. A mole has the ability to create tunnels up to 50 meters long in a day, which can cause inconvenience for landowners. Fortunately, there are now more affordable traps available for catching moles. This particular trap, equipped with a spring mechanism, is priced at just $17. Before setting up the trap, buyers are advised to locate the active tunnels created by the moles. The sellers claim that this trap is faster, safer, and easier to use compared to similar products. It is said to be effective in all types of soil and can be easily deactivated with a special button, allowing it to be relocated to another area on the property. According to the manufacturer, this system is suitable for all trees with a trunk diameter of 5 centimeters or more. The ring design allows for slight movement, promoting the growth of stronger roots. Makita DCU604 18V LXT. Makita, the renowned Japanese construction company, has unveiled an electric pickup truck designed to transport up to 300 kilograms of cargo. This versatile vehicle comes equipped with multiple speed settings, 4 batteries for extended usage, built-in headlights for added visibility, and boasts a continuous working time of approximately 100 minutes. Priced at $5,600, it offers a practical and eco-friendly solution for various hauling needs. PMO Pro. Once the moles have been successfully removed, the overall appearance of land can be improved by planting new trees. This device not only attracts enthusiasts, but also professionals like landscapers. To ensure the trees thrive in their new surroundings, they require support. This telescoping system offers adjustable lengths ranging from 25 to 38 centimeters and features a padded ring to protect the trunk. Letpot Smart Modular Planter. Many city residents have a desire to adorn their apartments with plants, but lack the time and energy for plant care. Fortunately, there is a solution available. This agricultural technology system caters to both hydroponics and traditional ground planting. The pots are eco-friendly, made from recyclable food-grade polymer, and can be easily joined and separated with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth compatibility. The system can be controlled from a smartphone. The basic version of the system has a 16 filter capacity, providing enough space for 30 to 45 days of automatic watering. Additionally, features like solar panels and lighting are also available. The basic kit, priced at $229, includes 6 pots for traditional planting and 6 pots for hydroponics. Wire Tightener Drahtspanner. Here's a cost-effective solution for various tasks such as marking plots, preparing fence netting, and setting up wire trellises. These wire tighteners, priced at approximately $4, offer affordability without compromising on functionality. Whether you're working on your garden or tackling fencing projects, these tools have got you covered without breaking the bank. Rack Assassin Tool Caddy. When working in the garden and juggling multiple tools like rakes, shovels, and hoses, it can be challenging. Thankfully, the Root Assassin team has developed a tool caddy that allows you to carry up to 5 tools with just one hand. The tool caddy can be easily installed on the wall and features a convenient strap instead of a handle. The set also includes interchangeable clips to accommodate different handle thicknesses. Weighing 2.3 kilograms, this practical tool caddy is available for $40. Aqua Joe AJ-ET2Z. A handy solution to simplify your watering routine, an automated watering timer equipped with versatile 7-day schedule and 2 independently configurable zones. Priced at just $44, this timer makes it a breeze to ensure your plants receive the right amount of hydration without the hassle. Say goodbye to manual watering and hello to convenience with this budget-friendly garden accessory. Gardening is a fulfilling and therapeutic pastime, and having the right equipment can make it even more enjoyable and productive. The gardening tools and equipment we've explored here are designed to help you create and maintain a beautiful and bountiful garden. Whether you have a green thumb or are just discovering your love for gardening, these essential tools are your trusty companions in the journey to cultivate a vibrant and flourishing outdoor space. So invest in the equipment that suits your gardening needs, and watch your garden thrive with care and attention. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.